Welcome to my channel Flights Assistance, how to check in with Flair Airlines, online, mobile and airport, flying with Flair Airlines. In this video, we guide you through the complete check-in process, online, via mobile app, and at the airport. Learn when to check in, how to get your boarding pass, and what to expect at the gate. Avoid last-minute surprises and make your travel smooth and stress-free with these tips. Online check-in availability. Flair Airlines offers a convenient online check-in option through their website, flyflair.com, or mobile app, available from 24 hours up to 60 minutes before your flight's scheduled departure. This allows you to check in from home or on the go, select seats, and obtain an electronic boarding pass, which can be saved to your mobile device or printed. Online check-in is recommended to save time and avoid additional fees at the airport. Mobile check-in option. For added flexibility, Flair provides a mobile check-in feature via their app, downloadable on iOS and Android. Similar to online check-in, it's available 24 hours to 60 minutes before departure. You can access your e-boarding pass, add it to your mobile wallet, and manage baggage fees. This is ideal for travelers who prefer a digital experience and want to bypass airport counters if not checking bags. Airport check-in and fees. If you prefer checking in at the airport, Flair Airlines counters open 3 hours before departure and close 60 minutes prior for domestic flights and 75 minutes for international flights to the US or Mexico. However, airport check-in incurs a $25 fee, so online or mobile check-in is encouraged to save money and time. Arrive early, as lines can be unpredictable, especially during peak travel times. Early Bird Advantage. Flair offers an optional Early Bird Advantage add-on, costing $15.25 per person per flight, allowing you to check in within the 24-hour window and secure better boarding positions or preferred seats. This feature uses algorithms to optimize passenger flow and seat assignments, enhancing boarding efficiency and passenger satisfaction. It's particularly popular with business travelers who value predictability. Baggage drop deadlines. For passengers with checked luggage, bag drop counters close 60 minutes before departure for intra-Canada flights and 75 minutes for flights to, from the US or Mexico. Ensure your bags meet Flair's size and weight limits, e.g., 23 kilograms, 50 pounds and 158 centimeters, 62 inches in total dimensions for checked bags, to avoid extra fees. Overweight or oversized bags may require additional charges, and processing can take longer, so arrive early. Valid documentation required. You must present valid government-issued ID matching the name on your reservation exactly, such as a driver's license or passport. For international travel, ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months from the travel date. Incorrect or expired documentation can prevent boarding, so double-check your itinerary and ID before heading to the airport. Seat selection process. During online or mobile check-in, you can select seats using Flair's color-coded seat maps, which show real-time availability. Fees apply, varying by demand and route, with priority access for Flair Plus or Flair Gold members. Choosing seats in advance reduces the likelihood of in-flight issues, like disputes over seating, by 12%, according to Flair's data. The system considers aircraft balance for optimal seat suggestions. Boarding pass access. After completing online or mobile check-in, you'll receive an e-boarding pass, which can be saved to your phone or printed. At the airport, you may need to show it at the gate or bag drop. If you encounter issues accessing your boarding pass, check your email for Flair's confirmation link or contact their support at 1-833-711-2333. Printing is also available at airport kiosks or counters for a fee. Boarding gate deadlines. You must be at the departure gate, ready to board, no later than the specified deadlines, typically 20 minutes before departure. Arriving late may result in reassigned seats, cancelled reservations, or ineligibility for denied boarding compensation. Flair advises arriving at the airport 3 hours in advance for flights from major hubs like Vancouver, Edmonton, Abbotsford, Calgary, or Ottawa to account for security and check-in processes. Special considerations and policies. Flair accommodates special needs, such as medical requests or travel with pets, but these require advance arrangements via their website's medical request form. Baggage policies are strict. 1 free personal item, 16 by 33 by 43 centimeters, 7 kilograms, is included, but carry-ons and checked bags incur fees unless part of a bundle. Flair's policies on restricted items, pet travel, or family seating to ensure compliance and a smooth experience. Tips for a smooth check-in. To optimize your experience, check in online 18 hours before departure to secure preferred seats and boarding positions, as suggested by Flair's analytics. Ensure your personal item fits the size limits to avoid gate fees, up to $75 for oversized carry-ons. If traveling with children or requiring special services, contact Flair in advance. Always verify flight details and status on Flair's website or app to stay updated on potential disruptions. This streamlined process reflects Flair's ultra-low-cost model, prioritizing affordability and customization. By planning ahead and using digital tools, you can minimize fees and stress, ensuring a smoother journey. For further details, visit flyflair.com or contact Flair's support. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.